Hello everyone. I hope you have a good time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to converting the picture color to picture with Adobe Photoshop. And the first time, going to the Adobe Photoshop and click open and getting the picture and moving the background to here to the box plus box to making a copy, and now press and hold at the control with I tape or I word from your keyboard, and go to the normal list and select the color dash, and now go to here, go to the hue start edition and change the start edition color to here, move to here, and now click in here the copy background and go to filter and go to the blur or blur and get the Gaussian blur, and in here you can change the field any resolution or any number you want. So you can click OK and you can now save your project. This video is come to end. I wish if you loved this, don't forget like and share for learning another people's, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for everything and see you next time. Goodbye.